From self-checkout kiosks to AI and drive-thrus, there's a lot to cover, and we're going to break down how these changes are impacting both businesses and consumers. So stick around and let's get started. From apps for quick food and delivery services to self-checkout and kiosks, your go-to grocery stores and fast food chains are evolving. Leading franchises like McDonald's aim to invest $2 billion in AI and robotics for stores and drive-thrus in 2024. In 2022, American grocery stores invested $13 billion in tech automation. The Food Industry Association predicts that spending on innovations like smart carts and revamped self-checkout systems will increase by 400% by 2025. Automation is growing in fast food and will continue to expand. The challenge lies in minimum wage hikes in states like California and other cost pressures, making fast food operations more expensive. Retailers have tried to offset this by raising prices, but customers push back, leading to reduced sales. Americans now spend an average of $475 a month on groceries. Over the past decade, menu prices at major fast food chains have surpassed national inflation, according to research from Finance Buzz. Popular items like McDonald's McChicken, McDouble, Popeye's mashed potatoes, Taco Bell's Chalupa Supreme, and Wendy's Frosty have doubled in price since 2024. Executives have taken note of this and have pointed to tech growth as a strategy to lower prices. As American consumers cut back on spending, rising food and labor costs push the food industry toward automation to reduce labor expenses and boost sales to remain competitive and adapt to shifting consumer habits. The only viable solution to manage these challenges is cutting costs through automation. We will see more ordering kiosks, AI-driven drive-thrus, and automated supply chains aiming to reduce labor costs. Even though some grocery stores paused self-checkout in early 2024, they are now rolling out smart carts. Amazon is selling its Dash carts to grocers, and Keeper carts, acquired by Instacart in 2021, are being introduced in larger sizes.